Turbo. Not bad. Woo. Woo. You already know. Smack that subscribe. Hey, what is up? One time we back with another video. As you know, as the title of this thumbnail, we will be taking apart my beast mode. It is time for a makeover. I only rushed this bike to put together. I have something to ride, but now I have a bike to ride. I've been riding my Fat Ripper and that's fixed. So now I'm gonna really customize my beast mode the real way how I wanted it. This is how it looks now. You can see. I mean, it looks alright, but I painted it black. I didn't want it black. It just, I had the black face paint laying around and I painted it real quick. So we're gonna customize it. Make sure you stay tuned. Hit that subscribe. This bike will be 100% custom. I was gonna get it powder coated, but then it wouldn't be me doing it. So I want to record every step of the way. If I powder coat it, someone else will have it. And I don't want to do that. I want to do it how I did it with a couple other bikes. Like I did a custom Fat Ripper, custom C100. They all came out really nice. But yeah, my other C100 I'm doing custom. That I need parts for. That's what I'm waiting for. This, I have everything besides. I need a bolt for the brake. That ain't nothing. C-pole. That ain't nothing. And that's it, and then there's a new paint job, and we're going to be bringing this bike out. Oh, I do need a new sprocket. But I might put the C100 cranks on there. These bad boys. I don't know, these are my old C100 cranks. I have new ones for my C100. I might put these on here. Let's see how... maybe will. So... stay tuned and see what happens. Let me stop talking and boring you, and let's get to edit me taking this bike apart. Alright, start by popping this crank off. Because it was already loose. Oh no. The whole bottom came out. Alright, let me put some gloves on. I'm not trying to grease my hands up right now. Got my doctor gloves on. Let's get to it. Start taking this back wheel off. I don't know what color I'm doing yet. So you stay tuned to find that out. I know it has to be yellow because I have yellow tires. But yeah. Pop that back wheel off. Put that down. Put that there. Well, that was loose. That's pretty crazy. How did I want to loose that in? Oh, I actually need a headset for this bike too. I forgot about that. This. Pop all the bands out. We're gonna replace all this, so we won't need this. Yeah. Rip my glove. Alright, take the last thing. Forks. Got the forks off. See? We gotta remove all these stickers. Fork job's really need a paint job. Look at that. It's all hidden. We gotta make it look pretty now. Pop that out. Boom. Now we have a single chain. Start removing some stickers. Don't know what color I'm gonna do. It's gotta be something yellow. Alright guys, so I gotta do one more side. I just flip the bike over. I gotta do this. You're new to 100. One way Tom. Make sure you hit that subscribe. One way the takeover. I don't know why it froze right there. OWTTO. You already know the vibe. One way to take over. So let me take these stickers off again. I'm not gonna bore you. I'm not gonna record any of that because who wants to hear and watch me pick? And my big hands block the light anyway. So while you're waiting patiently, well, you're not really waiting, but while you're waiting patiently, smack that subscribe. Maybe leave a comment down below. What color should I do that match good with yellow? Because it gotta be yellow because of the tires. Not the whole bike gotta be yellow, just anything like purple, yellow goes, like the Lakers. Blue, yellow, red, and yellow is McDonald's. I don't know. Just comment down below what color you think I should do. Alrighty, just knocked all them stickers off real quick. So now, I thought I had some paint thinner over there, but I don't. So I have to go to the store real quick. Then we go get dressed. Go get dressed real quick, and I'm gonna run to Walmart and pick some paint stripper up, spray the bike down, start taking the paint off, and then yeah, that's what we're gonna do for the rest of the day. We're gonna finish taking the paint off this bike. Then we're gonna paint it, but we ain't gonna paint it today. Make sure you stay tuned though. Let's get it. Alright guys, I'm sorry. So I'm actually going to have to make you wait. Make sure you just hit that subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. This is part 1. Part 2, I'm probably going to strip the paint. Part 3 will be me painting the bike. I'm going to try to make a lot of parts, but probably going to be 3 parts with this bike. Paint, just part 1, take it apart. Part 2, strip it. Part 3, paint it and put it back together. Yeah, we're going to do 3 parts. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give me a fat thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next video. Share that, subscribe. Thank you if you watched this video. Thank you if you're subscribed. I appreciate everything, and we're gonna enjoy these bike builds. Let's get it.